Hi, and welcome back to our channel, where we explore all your budgeting, money, and productivity needs. In today's video, we discuss what the cash stuffing envelope system is and if it is really an effective way to manage your finances. Cash envelopes are a way to budget your money using cash and envelopes. The idea is to divide your money into different categories, such as rent, groceries, gas, and more. Then, you put the money for each category into an envelope and label it. For example, you can have an envelope for groceries with $300, an envelope for gas with $100, and so on. To start using the cash envelope system, you can follow these steps. 1. Make a list of your spending categories and set a limit for each one. You can use a calculator or an app to help you with this. 2. Take out your spending money and put it into envelopes. Once you have your budget ready, take out the cash you need for your spending categories and put it into envelopes. Write the name and the amount of each category on the envelope. 3. Spend only the money in your envelopes. When you need to buy something, use the money in the envelope for that category. Keep the receipt and put it back in the envelope. This way, you can see how much money you have left. If you run out of money in an envelope, you have to stop spending in that category or take money from another envelope. And lastly, check your budget and make changes if needed. At the end of the month, look at your envelopes and see how you did. Did you spend more or less than you planned? Did you save enough or pay off your debt? Did you have any extra or unexpected money? Based on your results, you can change your budget and your envelopes for the next month. Some benefits of the cash envelope system are: it makes you more aware of your spending. It can also help you avoid credit card debt and fees, save more and pay off debt faster, and make your budget simple and easy. Some of the drawbacks of the system are: it can be quite hard and risky to carry cash around on a regular basis. It can be limiting if you need to pay for expenses online or by check, such as rent, utilities, and so on. It can also prevent you from gaining interest and rewards on things like credit cards. Ultimately, the best way to budget your money is the one that will work best for you and your lifestyle. Cash envelopes can be a great way to start budgeting or to get out of debt, but they may not be the best option for everyone. Whichever budgeting strategy you choose, remember to stay consistent and set realistic expectations so that you can meet your financial goals in the end. Do you think the cash envelope system is effective? Let us know in the comments section below. And if this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next video.